welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda, and this is a very quick video. I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've been up to. This past weekend in Canada was our long weekend, Victoria Day, to celebrate Queen Victoria's birthday. So I don't think anybody really celebrates Queen Victoria's birthday anymore, but they sure like to set off gorgeous fireworks. I went out to dinner with friends on the weekend, and on the way home, stopping for gas, we saw these most amazing fireworks, and I filmed them. I wanted to show you, so I hope you'll watch. They were set to music, and honestly, the camera does not capture the beauty as much as I would have hoped, because these were the most amazing fireworks I've ever seen in my entire life. And also, I'm going to take you to my backyard, show you my little oasis where I like to crochet in the warmer months, and you will get a glimpse of my project that I'm working on now, which I'm saving up so I can show you when it's done. My Orange Challenge project is what I call it. You'll see just a teeny bit of it. That might give you some idea of what I'm making, but there's a lot more to it than what is showing in that video. Have a quick look and come into my world for just a few moments. I hope you enjoy your two very short clips. I hope you enjoy them. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse of where I like to sit in the warmer months and do my crocheting. And I'm working on a very large project, so that's what's keeping me away from doing more videos. I'm very excited about it. But anyways, here's my backyard oasis. It's a little bit messy now, but you'll get the idea. And it's a very sunny, warm day, not a cloud in the sky, barely a cloud in the sky. And I'm just crocheting. I noticed the orange, but I'm not going to reveal. I've taken on an orange yarn challenge when I bought some orange yarn on sale, and I'm making something really fun and interesting. So you'll get to see that soon. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of where I like to sit in the summertime and crochet. Well, I hope you enjoyed those two short clips just to see a little bit into my world, my space, and the type of things that excite me, like fireworks. Have a great evening. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.